Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I go by the name of Depassions. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Rhassoul clay mask. I'm usually a bentonite clay person, but I'm just really trying to adapt to Rhassoul clay because people say it is more moisturizing. So this is the mixture I have made. Not too thick and not too runny. I'm going to put it inside my applicator bottle just to make it less messier and easier for me to apply onto my hair. But before I do that, I'm going to show you guys what I put in this little mixture. So now that I'm done with making the clay mask, I'm just going to spray some water into my hair to make it easier for me to apply the clay mask. And whilst I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you guys a bit about each of the ingredients I've used. Starting off with the Rhassoul clay. It helps to reduce dryness in the hair while also removing toxin and product buildup. It improves the hair's elasticity and unblocks your scalp's pores. It reduces flakiness and aids in detangling, and although it does clean like bentonite clay, but unlike the detoxifying clay, it leaves your hair soft and moisturized. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal and antibacterial properties which helps combating scalp infections, dryness, itchiness and dandruff. Honey helps to seal in moisture into your hair, keeping it conditioned. This reduces breakage, which is often cause for slower hair growth. It has rich antioxidant properties which prevent damage, keeping your scalp and hair healthy. Honey strengthens the hair follicles, which helps to reduce hair fall. Olive oil is a very good source of antioxidants. It's best to promote scalp health. Olive oil also improves blood flow to the hair's follicles, and follicles are in turn stimulated to grow thicker strands of hair, thereby doubling hair growth. Fenugreek seed not only kills bacteria and fungi present on the scalp, but strengthens the hair's follicles and promotes hair growth. Lavender essential oil helps promote hair growth. It has antimicrobial properties. It can help to prevent or kill head lice, helps to curb skin inflammation, and also has a calming effect and a divine fragrance. Vitamin E oil has antioxidant properties which repair damaged hair follicles, prevent tissue corrosion, and helps build tissue. This keeps your follicles healthy and promotes healthy hair growth. Vitamin E promotes blood circulation and acts as a deep moisturizer for your hair, preventing breakage and brittle hair. I love using this mask because I find it helps to reduce my breakage. If you've been following me for a while on my channel or on Instagram, you would know that I am suffering with hair loss, and I find doing masks like this continuously does help with the condition, and I have been slacking lately, so my hair has gotten worse, but I'm going to keep this in my regimen. Something I have been doing recently is using gloves when applying treatments or clay masks. I do find that it does help you be a bit more gentler to your hair when detangling. I am finger detangling while applying this mask just to get any big knots out, and then I would further detangle using my fingers when I am in the shower. So I have it all in my hair now. I'm going to leave it in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, covering it up with a plastic cap, since it works, it's more active when it is wet and not dry. So I'm going to do that. This is the results. And yeah, I'll be back once I rinse this all out. This is my hair after rinsing out the clay mask. As you can see, it has a lot of definition, has a lot of shine, and it was really soft. It was about 1 a.m. in the morning, so I was a bit tired to sit down and record the results, but I loved it. I hope you guys try this out. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.